Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and on this video we're going to be compounding some heavy scratches and waxing the whole car, shining the tires, and finishing up this 2010 Honda Pilot. Alright everybody, in this video we're going to be compounding some heavy scratches out. As you can see, there's some right here. I'm actually going to be doing the whole entire hood. There's some down along here. There's a lot of heavy scratches here from a dog jumping up. I'm not sure if you can see those or not. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see any of these, but there's scratches all over the car. Some have already been touched up. On the back here, I'm not going to be able to touch those stickers. I'll just melt right through them. So got a pretty heavy one right there. I need to try to get out. A couple here, that bad boy there. Alright guys, as you can see, there's a haze pretty much all over it. Now you're going to have that. Don't keep using the wool pad and trying to clean it up. It's not going to happen. So just take a towel, wipe it down, and then when you wax it with some polish, it'll take care of most of it. Now if you have a dark color car, such as a black or dark blue, you're going to want to use some swirl remover. I'm not going to worry about that. It's a light color car, so I'm not going to worry about that. But if you do have one of those, you're going to want to have to use that, or you're just going to look like you got swirls go dancing all down your car. All right, let's hit some of these little heavy scratches, and then we'll wax her. As you can see, I got compound left all over. Did a couple spots back here. Did that lower bumper, that came out pretty good. Got a bunch of spots down along the side. And again, I did the whole entire hood. All right, so let's give her a coat of wax. As we have a little orbiter with a nice little soft pad on it. What I'll do is I'll take a bunch, swirl it all over the pad. And I'll go dab it down the sides of the car. I'll dab it on the hood here. That's where we're going to start. Down the sides, which you couldn't see me. And here we go. All right, you guys remember in the wash video, I brought up that there was road paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this flat black, and we're gonna spray that, cover it up. Got some over here, and we have some in the rear. And that is the easiest way to get road paint out from underneath your wheel wells. Spray paint.
Yes, you have to do the roof too.
She's all waxed up. Time to shine the tires. All right, the tires are shined. Let's take the polish off this old girl and see what she really looks like. Now what I do when I'm almost finished, I take a brush, and I go through all the cracks, all the crevices, all the trims, just to get the rest of the wax and the compound out. Especially down through here, where I hit the headlights. Hit the headlights pretty heavily, so you wanna get all that in there. Hit the hood too. Get all that. Plus it gives you an extra chance just to wipe the car down from stuff you might have missed. And you go through the whole car. Alrighty guys, she's finished, she's clean. We could put her right on the lot and sell her if we wanted to. I mean, look at her, what a beauty. I mean, she turned out really good. For 160,000 miles, this car is in great condition. Couldn't be happier. I'm sure Shannon will love it. So, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe. YouTube, you know what to do. Please go back and check out part 1, 2, and 3 if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.